Welcome to the Divine Light Within You newsletter. How you guys doing today? I'm so happy you guys are back with me. I hope your weekend is going off great. So now let's jump into week 4, alignment and embodiment. What happens when everything you've been learning finally clicks? Not just in your mind, but in your body, in your energy, in the way you move through your life. Alignment is not something you chase, it's something you become. When your body, mind, spirit, and soul are in alignment, your energy flows without resistance. Your decisions become clear, your intuition becomes stronger, and your presence becomes grounded and steady. But when you are out of alignment, you feel it: confusion, fatigue, disconnection, overthinking. This week is about returning to alignment and fully embodying the work you have been doing, not occasionally, but consistently. Over the past 3 weeks, you have explored embodiment, vital force, hidden blocks, and trust. Now we bring it all together. Alignment is the moment when your internal world matches your external actions. Embodiment is when you begin to live what you have learned. Take a slow breath in through your nose, hold gently, and exhale through your mouth. Place one hand over your heart and one over your lower abdominal. Take a slow breath, and as you inhale, imagine a steady light entering your body. As you exhale, allow the light to move through your entire system, bringing everything into balance: body, mind, spirit, soul. Silently affirm with me: I am aligned with my truth. I embody the energy I choose to carry. I move through life with clarity and intention. Take another slow breath in and allow yourself to feel grounded, present, and connected. Alignment is something you feel. Here are a few ways to recognize where you are. Signs you may be out of alignment. You feel drained even after resting. You say yes when your body is saying no. You feel disconnected from your intuition. You overthink simple decisions. You feel like you are forcing your way through life. Signs you are in alignment. You feel calm and grounded. Your decisions feel clear and natural. Your energy feels steady and supported. You trust your intuition without hesitation. You move through life without forcing outcomes. Neither state is permanent. Alignment is something you return to again and again. This week is not about learning something new. It's about integrating everything you already know. Alignment requires awareness. Embodiment requires consistency. It is a small daily choice that strengthens your energy. The way you respond instead of react, the way you listen to your body, the way you honor your intuition. This is how vital force become stable and strong. This week's energies is guided by the magician, who represents embodiment. It reminds you that you already have everything within you. The High Priestess represents inner alignment and intuitive wisdom. She teaches you to trust what you feel even when it cannot be explained. And finally, the World represents completion and integration. It shows you that you are stepping into a new level of awareness and alignment. Together, These energies reflect this week's focus: embodiment, alignment, and integration. All right, my beautiful souls and warriors, take a moment and ask yourself this: where in my life am I already aligned? And where am I being asked to embody what I already know? Alignment is not perfection, it is presence, it is awareness, it is returning to yourself again and again. Remember, stay grounded, stay present, and continue to embody your truth. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Have a wonderful Sunday and have a beautiful week and enjoy that spring energy. Until we meet again, take care. God bless. Bye bye.